Everything at the Doughnut Economics Action Lab is about learning. By sensing, practicing, and experiencing, the Schools and Education team brings Doughnut Economics to young people by enriching their knowledge, broadening their worldview, and empowering them with various tools. These ideas, imagery, communication skills, facts, and practical tools contribute to the global wider movement of systemic change, where the needs of all people can be met within the means of the living planet. Our Doughnut Economics communities around the world have shared with us lots of ideas on how to best support this learning. We're starting with the creation of foundational Doughnut Economics tools for learners aged 5 to 18 years old. These tools are designed for teachers, students, and facilitators in both formal and informal learning spaces across a diversity of cultures and geographies. Each tool is built from modular learning cards, designed for flexibility and adaptability across cultures and learning environments. Think of the cards like modular blocks. You can mix and match to fit your learners' needs. The images and guidance can be adapted to reflect everyday experiences and contexts. Once you've chosen a tool, simply download it, personalize it, and use it on its own, in groups, or as part of a subject or school year. This is DU's first step towards a holistic vision of education, engaging head, heart, hands, and feet. Learning in this multi-layered way is key to creating transformative spaces for the 21st century. We trust these materials will support a dynamic education ecosystem that adapts globally, with content that remains alive and responsive. These short videos are here to help you get started. Each one gives a quick overview of the resource, how to use it, and how it can support learning in your space. To explore further, visit our Schools and Education page. Enjoy!